everybody, Holly here from Holiday Any Day. Today we got some holidays pet pointers for you. Miss Lulu's come to help me talk to you guys about 4th of July. Now 4th of July can be really scary for dogs. Lulu isn't afraid, she doesn't mind it at all, but a lot of dogs have real problems with it. So, on 4th of July, if there's going to be any kind of fireworks in your neighborhood, let's make sure to keep the doggies inside. Maybe put on some music or TV so they don't hear the fireworks. Always make sure to have tags on them and microchip them in case they happen to get out. So then they can find you better if your dogs do get out. And basically the last thing, if they're super anxious, you can get them thunder shirts, and that helps keep them kind of cozy. So give it a go and let's take care of our little babies.